We're going to use the so many to get into this pocket muscle, which we call our TFL. And the way you find it is literally by going by your pocket, and there's just that hunk of meat right there, and you just pinch it, and that's your TFL. So we're going to use the so many. We're going to put it in a different position. We're going to grab one of the 2 peaks with 2 fingers, so it's like the Spider-Man, but it's long ways. And then we're using this kind of leverage, kind of digging sensation here, using the palm to really get in there. And a good position to do this is in this kind of kneeling position or half hinged position right here. And so if I'm standing, this would be a good half hinge. If I'm kneeling, obviously simple, I just sit down there, but in this half hinge, then I can be able to dig into this spot with that so many. And this is in a relaxed position when I'm in this half hinge to help clean this up. Now, if I'm having any type of IT band issues, that's coming from TFL or glute. They come together and then they come down the leg. So we clean this up. We go to the glute video. We massage all in there. And that should help with cleaning up anything going down in here. Now, the nice little test too is that if this is really tight, coming all the way forward, that can be an easy test. Or doing a couch stretch, we bring our leg up onto the wall here, and then we have our other leg, and then now I'm trying to squeeze my butt. Squeeze my butt. That's another nice little test too right there. Okay, the closer I can get my butt to the wall, my knee to the wall, being nice and straight, and squeezing my butt, then I'm having a nice little range of motion in this front part of my quad and the TFL